What's up, yo? Today I'm going to share with y'all the equation of weight loss. So the very first factor in this equation is going to be our BMR. I use a Renpho Smart Scale to find this number, but if you don't have one or can't afford one, I will include a link to a free BMR calculator online. Once we have that number, we're going to need our second factor, which is going to be our active calories burned. This is why I recommend to watch. So personally, I do cardio twice a week, Monday and Wednesday, and I burn about the same amount of calories on those days, 1,700. So we're gonna round it down to 1,700. The other 5 days, I do about the same thing every day. It's about 500 calories on these days. Some days a little bit higher, but we're just gonna round that down to 500. So 500 times 5, that'll be 2,500. Now, what we're gonna do is go into our calculator, and we're gonna take in the 1,700 times 2 days I do cardio. That's 3,400. So we take that and then we add that to our 2,500 that we got from our other 5 days, and we come up with 5,900. Now we're just gonna take that and just round it up to 6,000 to make the math easier. 6,000. Okay. Now we're gonna take that first factor, our basal metabolic rate, and we're gonna put that in and times that by 7. We come up with 11,837. So we're just gonna round that number up to make the math easy to 12,000. So we're gonna take that 12,000 and we're gonna add that to our 6,000. And we're gonna equal out to 18,000. That's 18,000 calories that we need in a week. So we're gonna take that number, we're gonna divide that by 7 because there's 7 days in a week. We're gonna come up with 2,571. This is how I get my 2,400 to 2,600 number of calories per day. So you guys know the rest. If you want to lose weight, you got to be in a deficit of around 200 to 500 calories. Hope that helps.